Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you these incredible pancakes. They are tres leches flavor. If you have not had tres leches cake before, you need to try it out. It was one of my favorites growing up in a Mexican household. It's really popular in our culture, but I was craving it this morning and I was like, the best way to make it, or the best way that I incorporate my sweet tooth cravings, is incorporating into my oatmeal or pancakes, making it the flavor of whatever I'm craving. I have lost 115 pounds total, and that's one of the ways that I was able to. So here I'm using almond milk. You can use any type of milk that you like. I personally like this one. It's really low in calories too, but you can use any other option. Just know that the macros may vary of whatever I have in the description box, which I will leave everything down below as far as protein, carbs. All the full macros will be listed down below. This is personally my favorite maple syrup. I have gone through quite a few sugar-free maple syrups, and I can tell you this is the one that has the best consistency and best flavor. I mean, in my opinion, I always go back to this one. And then here's the vanilla extract. It doesn't have the macros in the back, but it does have 12 calories per teaspoon. And then this is the brand of protein powder that I like. If you know anything about protein powders, vanilla flavor is one of the flavors hard to find, or at least a good one to find, that doesn't taste very chalky or just healthy in general. And this one did it for me. I have not gone back to using any other brand or protein powders ever since I found hers. I have tried her peanut butter, her chocolate, her caramel. It's so good. I highly recommend it. I get them off Amazon, not sponsored obviously, but if you want to try it out, they are incredible. And then this is the brand obviously of pancakes that I'm using, Kodiak. And I know I didn't show or mention, but I will be using whipping cream. I use the one brand from Target, and then the cinnamon powder. So you're gonna need 106 grams. Full recipe will be listed down below in the description box. That way you can just screenshot it. So you're gonna need 106 grams, and then you're also gonna need your cinnamon, optional, but I personally like putting it inside my pancakes and then on top too. And then water. You can use milk, but just to, keep the calories a little bit lower too, I used water. And I didn't mention this, but you're also gonna need Greek yogurt. Whoops, I just realized one of the clips switched. But okay, you want to go ahead and mix your pancake mix. And then the consistency is really runny. I don't know why. I noticed that it's because of the protein powder that I use. It becomes really runny, but it's okay. It still does the job. My pancakes still taste amazing. It's just a little bit harder to work with in the beginning. But if you guys don't know, and I wish I knew this before I started my journey, was protein makes you feel fuller for longer. So yeah, I almost forgot to add my protein powder. So then right here is when it gets like really watery. You guys will see. Not super watery, but more than it already was. Okay, so now going back to the tres leches part, you're gonna need Greek yogurt. I use this just so the tres leches mixture is thicker, since obviously we can't add lechera, which is sweetened condensed milk. It is really high in sugar. And then I'm gonna add my milk, maple syrup, touch of vanilla extract, and you're gonna mix it up. You want to use the frother with the spoon. It doesn't work. The clumps don't come out. I tried doing it just to be lazy today, but no, it doesn't do the job. You need your frother. And I do weigh all my ingredients. It just gives me peace of mind. Your weight will fluctuate. Sometimes you'll weigh a little bit more than before, and the least that you want is to blame it on food. So that's one of the things that gives me peace of mind, as your weight can fluctuate. Little things as maybe you're on your period, or maybe you're about to get your period, or maybe you just had a little bit too much sodium that day. Sodium retains water, and you might be holding water weight. It just gives me peace of mind. So I prefer, because with cups sometimes you can overfill or underfill, which most likely we always overfill our cups, and we end up eating more than we should have. Or I go by my calorie intake by day, which I will leave a link down below to the app that I use, and then you can go ahead and calculate the calories that are best needed for your age, your level of activity, your weight. You know, we're all different. So once I finished doing my milk mixture, I let my pancake rest for a little bit. It does get a little bit thicker when you let it rest. And I use these little 2 pans, which I got from Safeway. I freaking love them. They are the perfect size for my pancakes. So you just want to go ahead and cook your pancakes. You can make 4 huge ones, or thick ones, I must say, or you can go ahead and make 6 thinner ones. It's totally up to you what you decide. And once our pancakes are ready, you want to go ahead and poke them just so it can soak up the mixture a little bit better. Like I said, I did go in with the frother for my milks in the end because it was just not doing it. And you also want to go ahead and add, well, optional, but I wanted to add a little bit more powdered sugar. Just gives a little sweetness and aesthetic look for my picture. But you can go ahead and opt out. It has 0 calories. It's the Swerve confectioner sugar. It does have carbs though, so it all adds up at the end of the day. And then here I'm just adding the whipping cream. Like I said, I do weigh everything, and I used 1 serving, which is 20 grams. And then you want to go ahead and add your cinnamon and maple syrup. When I tell you these pancakes are divine, they are absolutely delicious. Well, I mean, I'm a tres leches lover, so that could just be me. But if you love tres leches cake as much as I do, you need to make these pancakes. And I just realized the clip is wrong again. Oh my god. Okay, my first video back. I'm sorry. Promise I'll do better next time. And if you aren't subscribed already, make sure to go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and that way you don't miss out on any new upcoming recipes. I will be doing vlog style to what I eat in a day videos. I do have some on my TikTok, but I will try and post more on here as well. And be motivation hopefully for you guys too on your weight loss journey. And know that you can do this. It just requires consistency, and it's all worth it. Like, it's so worth it in the end. I'll see you guys next time. I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day. Bye.